Let's read source 4 for the presidency investigation. It's called Historian Jack Rakove. So, our central question is, would the founders have approved of executive actions concerning DACA? And that's our purpose for reading this source. So, let's look at the attribution to see what the source is. Excerpt adapted from pages 244 to 245 of Original Meanings, Politics and Ideas in the Making of the Constitution, a book by historian Jack Rakove, published in 1996. Now, let's look at the headnote to find out more about this source. This historian makes a different argument about the founders' ideas when they wrote the Constitution. He is a professor of history at Stanford University in California. He focuses on the origins of the American Revolution and Constitution, as well as the ideas of James Madison. Okay, now we're ready to read the source itself. Let's see what this historian wrote in his book. The first sentence of Article 2 of the Constitution did not clarify the power of the executive. It said, "The executive power shall be vested in a President of the United States of America," but did not explain what executive power is. Figuring out a single definition of executive power was not a simple exercise. They welcomed the theory of separated powers, but they struggled to distinguish the administrative powers from other powers that the British king had used. They could not imagine the dimensions of executive power. In a government of the people, was an executive more like a patriot king above party, ahead of the legislature, or merely a general manager?